Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of basic computer functions. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, understanding how computers work is essential in our digital age. We'll start by exploring what a computer is, its main components, and why mastering these basics can make your daily tasks much easier. From turning on your device to navigating the desktop, every step is important. So let's get started on this journey to become more confident and efficient with computers. Ready? Let's unlock the power of technology together. Computer is an electronic device that processes data and performs tasks according to a set of instructions called programs. At its core, a computer takes input, processes it, and produces output. This simple cycle is the foundation of all computer operations. Understanding this helps you see why computers are so versatile, from writing documents to browsing the web. As we move forward, keep in mind that every function you use is built on this basic principle of input, processing, and output. Use a computer effectively, it's important to know its main parts. The central processing unit, or CPU, acts as the brain, handling instructions and calculations. The monitor displays information visually, while the keyboard and mouse allow you to interact with the system. Other key components include storage devices like hard drives and memory, which store your files and help programs run smoothly. Understanding these parts helps you troubleshoot issues and make the most of your computer. One of the first things to learn is how to properly turn your computer on and off. Press the power button to start up and wait for the operating system to load. Shutting down is just as important. Always use the shutdown option in your menu instead of unplugging the device. This helps prevent data loss and keeps your computer running smoothly. Mastering this simple step sets the stage for safe and effective computer use. Once your computer is on, you'll see the desktop. This is your main workspace where you can access programs, files, and settings. Icons represent different applications and folders, making it easy to find what you need. The taskbar, usually at the bottom, shows open programs and shortcuts. Getting comfortable with the desktop layout will help you navigate your computer more efficiently and keep your work organized. Mouse is your primary tool for interacting with the computer. Moving the mouse moves the pointer on the screen. Clicking selects items, while double-clicking opens files or programs. Right-clicking brings up context menus with additional options. Learning to use the mouse effectively makes navigating your computer much easier and faster, especially when working with multiple windows or applications. Keyboard lets you type text, enter commands, and control your computer. Each key has a specific function, from letters and numbers to special keys like Enter, Shift, and Control. Learning keyboard shortcuts can save you time and make tasks more efficient. For example, pressing Ctrl+C copies text, while Ctrl+V pastes it. Mastering the keyboard is a key step in becoming a confident computer user. Get work done, you'll need to open programs or applications. You can do this by double-clicking an icon on the desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Programs let you perform specific tasks like writing documents, browsing the web, or editing photos. Knowing how to find and launch the right program is essential for productivity and makes your computer experience much smoother. Most computers use a window-based interface, allowing you to open, resize, and move different program windows. You can switch between open windows using the taskbar or keyboard shortcuts like Alt+Tab. Learning to manage windows helps you multitask and keep your workspace organized. This is especially useful when working on multiple projects or comparing information side by side. It's important to save your work regularly to avoid losing progress. Most programs have a save option in the file menu, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+S. When you save, choose a location and give your file a name you'll remember. Saving often ensures your documents, photos, and projects are safe, even if something unexpected happens. Folders help you organize your files and keep your computer tidy. You can create new folders by right-clicking in a directory and selecting New Folder. Give each folder a clear name based on its contents, like Photos or Work Documents. Organizing your files into folders makes them easier to find and helps prevent clutter on your desktop or in your documents library. Copying and moving files are basic skills for managing your data. To copy, select a file, right-click and choose Copy, then go to the destination folder, right-click and select Paste. To move a file, use Cut instead of Copy. These actions help you organize your files and back up important documents easily. When you no longer need a file, you can delete it by right-clicking and selecting Delete. Deleted files usually go to the recycle bin, where you can restore them if needed. To permanently remove files, empty the recycle bin. Always double-check before deleting to avoid losing important information. If you can't find a file, use the search function. Most computers have a search bar in the Start menu or File Explorer. Type in the file name or a keyword and the computer will show matching results. This feature saves time and helps you quickly locate important documents, photos, or programs. To browse the web or check email, you'll need an internet connection. Most computers connect via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Look for the network icon on your taskbar, select your network, and enter the password if needed. Once connected, you can access a world of information and communicate with others easily. A web browser lets you visit websites and search for information online. Popular browsers include Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. To open a browser, click its icon and enter a web address or search term. Browsers have tabs, bookmarks, and settings to help you manage your online experience efficiently. Downloading allows you to save files from the internet to your computer. Click a download link and the file will usually appear in your Downloads folder. Always download from trusted sources to avoid viruses. Once downloaded, you can open, move, or delete the file as needed. To add new features to your computer, you may need to install programs. Download the installer, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions. Always read prompts carefully and only install software from reputable websites. Installing programs expands your computer's capabilities and lets you customize it for your needs. Keeping your software up to date is important for security and performance. Most programs notify you when updates are available. Follow the prompts to install updates or check for updates in the program's settings. Regular updates help protect your computer from threats and ensure everything runs smoothly. Email is a common way to communicate online. Open your email program or webmail, enter your address and password, and check your inbox for new messages. You can compose, send, and organize emails into folders. Email is essential for staying in touch with friends, family, and colleagues. To print a document, connect your printer to the computer and install any necessary drivers. Open the document, select Print from the File menu, and choose your printer. Adjust settings like page range and number of copies as needed. Printing lets you create hard copies of important files for work, school, or personal use. Every computer has a settings menu where you can adjust things like display, sound, and network preferences. Access settings through the Start menu or System tray. Customizing your settings helps you create a comfortable and efficient working environment tailored to your needs. Security is crucial for safe computer use. Install antivirus software and keep it updated. Avoid clicking suspicious links or downloading unknown files. Regularly back up important data to prevent loss from viruses or hardware failure. Taking these steps helps keep your computer and personal information safe. Backing up your data means making copies of important files in case something goes wrong. You can use an external hard drive, cloud storage, or backup software. Regular backups ensure you won't lose valuable documents, photos, or projects if your computer has a problem. You can connect external devices like USB drives, printers, or cameras to your computer. Plug the device into the appropriate port and your computer will usually recognize it automatically. This allows you to transfer files, print documents, or import photos with ease. Files come in different types such as documents, images, videos, and music. Each type has a specific file extension like DocX for Word documents or, for images, knowing file types helps you choose the right program to open or edit your files and keeps your computer organized. Computers allow you to run multiple programs at once, a process called multitasking. You can switch between open applications using the taskbar or keyboard shortcuts. Multitasking helps you work more efficiently, letting you research online while writing a document or listen to music as you organize files. Keyboard shortcuts are combinations of keys that perform tasks quickly. Common shortcuts include Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, and Alt+Tab to switch windows. Learning shortcuts saves time and makes your computer experience smoother and more efficient. You can personalize your desktop by changing the background, arranging icons, and adding shortcuts to your favorite programs. Right-click on the desktop to access personalization options. Customizing your workspace makes your computer feel more comfortable and tailored to your needs. Over time, your computer's storage can fill up with files and programs. Regularly check your storage space and delete unnecessary files or uninstall unused programs. This keeps your computer running smoothly and ensures you have room for important data. If something goes wrong, basic troubleshooting can help. Restart your computer, check cables and connections, or look for error messages. Many problems can be fixed with simple steps. If issues persist, consult help resources or contact support for assistance. Most computers have built-in help resources like user manuals or online support. Access these through the Help menu or by searching online. Help resources provide step-by-step instructions and solutions to common problems, making it easier to learn and solve issues on your own. User accounts let multiple people use the same computer while keeping their files and settings separate. Each user has a unique login and password. This helps protect privacy and allows everyone to customize their own workspace. Setting up user accounts is especially useful for families or shared computers. To access your user account, enter your username and password at the login screen. When you're done, log out to keep your information secure. Logging in and out properly helps protect your data and ensures a smooth experience for all users. Locking your computer prevents others from accessing your account while you're away. Press Windows+L or use the lock option in the Start menu. This simple step keeps your information safe and ensures only authorized users can access your files. Regularly changing your password helps keep your account secure. Go to Account Settings, select Change Password and follow the prompts. Choose a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This simple habit protects your personal information from unauthorized access. Computers have accessibility features to help users with different needs. You can adjust text size, enable screen readers, or use voice commands. Explore the accessibility settings to find options that make your computer easier and more comfortable to use. Cloud storage lets you save files online and access them from any device. Services like Google Drive or Dropbox make it easy to back up important documents and share files with others. Using the cloud adds flexibility and security to your file management. Updates are improvements or fixes released by software developers. They can include new features, security patches, or performance enhancements. Keeping your system and programs updated ensures you have the latest tools and protection against threats. Task Manager is a tool that shows which programs are running and how much resources they're using. You can open it by pressing Ctrl+Shift+S. Use Task Manager to close unresponsive programs or monitor your computer's performance. It's a handy way to troubleshoot and keep your system running smoothly. Notifications alert you to new emails, updates, or system messages. You can customize notification settings to control which alerts you see and how they're displayed. Managing notifications helps you stay informed without being overwhelmed by constant pop-ups. Search engines like Google or Bing help you find information online. Type your question or keywords into the search bar and you'll get a list of relevant results. Learning to use search engines effectively makes it easier to research, solve problems, and stay informed. Online safety is important for protecting your personal information. Use strong passwords, avoid sharing sensitive details, and be cautious with unfamiliar websites or emails. Keeping your software updated and using security tools helps you stay safe while enjoying everything the internet offers. When you're finished using your computer, always shut it down properly. Use the shutdown option in the Start menu to close all programs and power off safely. This helps prevent data loss and keeps your computer in good condition for the next use. Congratulations, you've learned the essential functions of using a computer, from turning it on to staying safe online. Mastering these basics opens up a world of possibilities, whether for work, study, or personal enjoyment. Keep practicing, explore new features, and don't hesitate to use help resources as you continue your computer journey. With these skills, you're well on your way to becoming a confident and capable computer user.